Good morning. Only Oshmi has joined. Indrakshi also. So good morning everybody, and today I'll revise from your grammar section. So English from the grammar section I will start from that singular and plural. That singular and plural. Wow, Indrakshi, your hairband is very nice. How are you? Tomorrow is your exam, okay? So please give the exam. Everybody is, I am telling first. At first I will tell all the best for your exam. Oshmi, good morning. Indrakshi also. And I will tell all the best for exam. And first I will tell for the text. Last day I have revised. Again I am telling, please read thoroughly. Okay? And one thing from the grammar book I will revise from that. Singular and plural. Singular and plural is easy. Besides that, how I can give the question? Like this, dear. Dear, singular is there and plural you know that is also dear. And if I am giving the fill in the blanks, here is jumping. So whenever is there, obviously dear option will be there. And another thing, no need to write, only please listen to me. Okay? So here only please listen, and if you think some things you can write, only answer me. So next, if I am telling that the plural of foot is number 1 feet, number 2 foot, number 3 foots. So which one you will answer? Only answer for that feet, obviously. Oshmi, good, and everybody you know that. So whenever you know all the answer, whenever you will answer, please you should answer very nicely with your attention, attentively. Please answer very attentively, very carefully you should answer. Okay? You know everything because exam will be very easy. And foot like this, and after that also I can tell that the plural of glass. Number 1 glasses, number 2 GLASSS glass, and after number 3 glass. So here obviously number 1 glasses. So here answer is like this. Indrakshi, tell me your problem. Which problem do you have? Okay, please write, or one day I'll listen to you. Okay. Next, apostrophe s. The singular and plurals is, this chapter is very easy. Next, I will just revise the apostrophe s. Here or here. I have already told you. So here apostrophe s, how can we revise? Fill in the blanks with apostrophe s. Number 1, dash. Or the dash bag is full of letters. So here we can give the option. Number 1, postman. Number 2, postman's apostrophe s. Number 3, postman's. So only option you should write. Okay. Okay. I will revise Indrakshi. He is hard, it's there. I will revise. No problem for that. And here, please write the only option. Number 2. Pratyushna has written the number 2. Oshmi also will write. No problem. Everybody please write. The postman bag is full of letters. So here, postman bag is full of letters. Yes. Okay, you can write, no problem. I am telling that this is optional. Whatever you think, you can write. Okay. So number 2, if I am telling dash, the dash dress is beautiful. Beautiful. So here number 1, the dancer. Number 2, the dancers. Number 3, the dancers apostrophe s. So number 3, dancers, obviously that also no need. Snigdha, I am not giving that page. Actually it is page number 14 and 15 chapters. I am revising all the chapters. So dancer's dress is beautiful. Okay. So here you know that. And one thing I am just telling you. Last day also I have no Arman, it is not dancers. Apostrophe s. You can write. Look at the answer of Oshmi. The dancers. Okay. So here apostrophe s. So please, this apostrophe s, you can understand and notice. One thing I have told you, the plural like this, plural ending with s. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers, doctors. Plural ending with s. Here we will give apostrophe here. Okay. Not before. And here teachers day always there's doctors day like this. Okay, if I am telling 5th September is number A, teachers day. Number B, teachers day, and number C, teachers day. So obviously answer is the number B. Okay, teachers day. Please remember. Okay, Arman, don't mistakes, and those who are today in the class, please don't mistake that. Okay. So here only apostrophe we can put after s. Doctor's day also like this. All these plurals ending with s. But if I am telling the children's day, that is not like this. That is C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children's day. That is not ending with s. Children's day. Please remember all these things. Okay. So this is that's why we are telling that is children's day, but teacher's day is different. You should learn. After that I will give describing words, appropriate describing words. Please remember, correct. Number 1, I am not writing the questions. Fill in the blanks with correct or appropriate describing words. If I am telling Mr. Roy is a easy. Option A we can give. Option B, strong. Option C, long. So which one? Please write. Only option. Yes, option B, strong man. So here option B is strong man. So here number 2, another option I can give, the sums. Do you know the meanings of sums? I think you know the mathematics. From that one sum you are doing. The sums are dash. Number 1, happy. Number A. Number B, long. Number C, difficult. Please tell that answer. Oshmi, I have not given the easy. Please look at the questions. Okay. Dibujyoti also has given the answer. C. Pratushna has given. Oshmi C. Yes. So that's why I am telling that please read the question. This is MCQ questions. And 50 questions will be there for 50 marks. Okay. Please do all these things very carefully. You are in class 2. So the sums are difficult. I am not giving here that easy. Next one, if I am telling the ball has a dash shape. Number 1, round. Number 2, long. Number 3, tall. So obviously it is round. Okay. So number 1, just I am giving an example, and also the exam also it will be coming like this. So after that also we can tell that this is an dash stories. This is an interesting story. So and I have told already the answer. If I am telling that big. Number 2, interesting. Number 3, happy. So big I can also give that, but one thing here I have put one and. So this is an interesting story. So please also be careful like this. Okay, an interesting story. So here after that comparisons. So comparison chapter number 9. I can just revise how the question will come. Number 1. The peacock is dash than crow. Option number A, beautiful. Option number B, more beautiful. Option number C, the most beautiful. Okay, so please, more beautiful. Okay, so this is most beautiful. The more beautiful. Next one, if I am giving that, my grandfather is dash than my father. Number 1, old. Number 2, young. Number 3, older. Older. It's very good. So not old, not young, older. Nihan has joined. Let me see who has joined here. Aritra Ghosh, Arman Samim, Moshmi Pal, Dibbojyoti Tiwari, Indrakshi Sen, Pratyushna Datta, Snigdha, Dibbojyoti Tiwari, not Nihan. Snigdha, why are you always on mute? Aritra also. Medical syllabus I have given in my e-portal up to Funny Bunny last day, yesterday also. Okay, Funny Bunny up to Funny Bunny, and also PT1 also will be included in this exam. Again I am telling up to Funny Bunny, Marigold, and up to this grammar A and D. And also after that one chapter I have included after. Okay, me, our, all these, and A and D. Snigdha, page number I am not telling, page number I am not giving, the chapter number 9. I am just revising page number 21. My grandfather is older than my father. Okay, so this is the revision of also comparison. Another thing also I can give. So number 3, June. The month of June is dash than January. June is dash than January. So what you can write? Number 1, hot. Number 2, hotter. Number 3, cold. So please write hotter. So it is hotter. Okay. Also, if I can tell that the giraffe snake is dash than horse snake, the horse's snake. So giraffe snake is dash than the horse's snake. So here number 1, long. Number 2, short. Number 3, shorter or longer. So number 3 is the answer, longer. Okay. No, not tall. Here answer is there, longer. Giraffe snake here. Please beta, this is comparison. Okay. Next, chapter number 10. Also please remember that this revision part, Rover is lazier than our other dogs. Dolls here also, the children, monkey, monkeys, woman, women, this type of singular and plural. Please read this, and after that I will revise is, am, are, A and D, and also my, our. Please induction, listen. How? I, my, we, our, I, we, you, your, you plural you. Okay. Then he, his, she, her, they, their. Eat also, eats. Okay, it's, but one thing please remember, it has no apostrophe. That is its and its, that is different. Okay, I am sending this card to my friend, but I like to pat my cat. Its fur is soft, not its. Okay, so please remember, I, my and we, our. So please remember all these things, please. So it, its, or any, it, its also. Another thing is there. Aritra, please stop your front camera. So one thing is there. So please listen, that any non-living being you know, and also animals, the plural also we can tell its. So Indrakshi, I think you can do all these things. After that, I am just telling. If I am giving that, fill in the blanks with my, our, your, like this. I am brushing dash teeth. A, mine. Number 2, mine. Number 3, you. So please tell the option. Yes, my teeth. Yes. Number 2, you are waiting for dash father's letter. So which one option I'll give? But I, Pratushna, not me, my. Pratushna, Aritra, why have you written me? Pratushna, please. Not me, my. First one, my. Second one, you are waiting for your father's letter. Option will be there. 3, Indrakshi also has written Arman for first one, my. Ushmi and Arman, Indrakshi has written that. But please be careful about all this. Okay. So you are waiting for your father's letter. Next one, if I am telling that we are waiting for dash bus. So number 1, your. Number 2, our. Number 3, mine. So please write. Dipajyoti, write. Arman, our. Pratushna, everybody has written our. Okay, very good. Dipajyoti also has written. So for our bus. We are waiting for our bus. Yes, tell me problem. Indrakshi, please tell me your problem. Okay. Next, if so here, if I am telling that we, your, and also if I am telling the bird, chapter number 12. Okay, let me see. Chapter number 12, I am just telling that, okay, no problem. Here, I, we, you, he, she. Here, no problem beta. only you can see. I will tell that afterwards. Just one thing I am giving, that after I will tell. Here, if I am telling the children are taking, only answer you will tell, taking dash lunch. So what will I put? Their lunch. Children are taking their lunch. Okay? Yes. So another thing also, I like your house. Dash rooms are big and bright. So I like your house. I like your house. Dash rooms are very big. So option I will tell, but answer please tell me. Oshmi, Pratyushna, Dibajyoti, everybody please tell. Yes, it's. Very good, but please don't give apostrophe, only it's. I-T-S. I-T-S. This it's. So here, Aman fell down and hurt. Another two things I will give from here, then after I will go. Aman fell down and dash his leg. Sorry, and heart, I have told the answer, leg. So heart dash leg, heart his leg. If I am telling that Preeti loves dash pet dog. So Preeti is is a girl. So that is her. So Aman instead of his, Preeti instead of her. I am just telling, please remember all these things. Next, A and D. A you know that, and also you know, and the. If I am telling, put A and D in the gaps. So here, sun is very bright today. Okay, please tell. Okay. Yes, beta, grammar syllabus I have given in my e-portal. Okay. No problem. Please open my once open in my e-portal. Please get. And also I am now telling chapter number 11. Up to chapter number 11 I have given A and D. Okay. So the sun is very bright today. Sun is very bright today. So here you know that the sun, the moon, the cloud, the sky. So there I have put the. And chapter number 12, I am just telling once, only verb you should notice. I after am, we after are, you after are, you are, I, we, you, he is, she is, they are. These things, verb you should notice. Okay. So here only you should notice the verb, and after you can put all these things. So here, and also I have told you, if I am telling that SES, I go, we go, this thing also I have told you. You go. You go. He goes. They go. So here he goes, she goes, it goes, everything will be there. Okay. So here if I am telling I want to go now. He is a good boy. You are. So you are a good boy. Please remember the verb. Please notice the verb. So here if I am telling that plural, one thing is there. Nikhil and I. These two plurals are there. Are neighbors. Okay, so plural. Are. And Nikhil and I, we live. Nikhil and I and another person means we. Okay, please remember. You do not want to eat samosas. You do not like. Or we do not want to eat samosas. We do not like them. Give me an ice cream. Also I do not like. I after also. Like this go, we after go. So here please remember and also learn the meaning. I and we, you, always they are only single. That is only that main verb will be there. Not s or es. Okay. Do, does, go, goes, always. Okay, please beta. Indakshi, once you will open my e-portal, I have given the grammar syllabus and also that marigold syllabus. So if you are having any problem, Oshmi, Dibbojyoti, Protushna, Snigdha, Aritro, any problem, please tell me beta. So for exam, be careful only because exam will be very easy and 50 marks will be coming. 50 answer you have to do. Only that MCQ will be coming. If you are having any problem, please tell me. What is this, Indrakshi? I could not understand, beta. This one. What is it? This is very small images. No, this is very. I could not chat. No, this is I cannot see. Which one? And please write in my e-portal. I'll solve your problem. Oshmi, please tell me your problem. I have a problem. Please tell. Okay, Oshmi, tell me your problem. Indrakshi, for exam, all these things will be not coming, beta. We want to buy a shirt. Please show. Show that one I have told you some good white shirt. Show me or show us. Okay. So me you can do or show us also. We after that I am just writing there and show, don't show me any striped ones. So these two things, me and me, also we, so us or us. Two things. Because they have told we, so we should use the us. Okay. And then US. US. Oh, Snigdha, I have told that the 50 marks exam will be there. Funny Bunny, obviously, smile, Funny Bunny is there. Please, Protushna, open my e-portal. I have given that syllabus and just I told up to Funny Bunny, exam will be there. From the first chapter, Funny Bunny will be there. Yes, me also, us, we are, I am just telling, us you can use. We after we can use us. Okay. No, no, actually I am not having headphone here. I cannot listen, beta. No MCQ exams, Snigdha. MCQ exam means multiple choice, only tick marks questions are there. In the say, please write in my e-portal, I will solve your problem. No problem, beta. And for exam, you will not have any problem. I am just telling. All the best for your exam. If you are having any problem, please write to me. Okay, beta? All the best for your exam. Please give very carefully that exam. Okay, thank you.